I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports two active lines, physical plus physical or physical plus eSIM. Insert the primary SIM and power on. Go to Settings to locate SIM or cellular options. Once there, add the second SIM. Either insert the card or choose Add eSIM and scan carrier QR or enter activation code. Make sure mobile data and roaming toggles are visible. This prevents surprises later, and it ensures the phone recognizes both profiles before you proceed to routing choices. Now you assign roles. Label each SIM so you can pick them quickly: work, personal, or primary. Go to cellular or SIM cards and set the default for voice, SMS, and mobile data individually. This tells the phone which line to use for outgoing calls and which for internet. Enable VoLTE LTE or 4G for both lines if supported, because that lets calls and data coexist. Once configured, restart the radio by toggling airplane mode on and off to force network re-registration, and confirm both lines are active. Finish by testing. Place a call from each line, send an SMS, and use mobile data on the designated SIM. If one service fails, first ensure the SIM is seated properly and not locked by PIN. Then check APN settings and that the carrier activated the profile. Once done, update carrier settings or the phone OS. If issues persist, restart the phone and try another restart after removing and reinserting the SIM. Key tip: if networks conflict, contact the carrier to confirm simultaneous activation and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.